All right, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. I'm going to do this video pretty quick because I don't want to lose profit. You see, I was up 60-some pips, but right now it is touching backwards because it's doing the pullback time. But again, I'm just going to continue to do a series called Simplicity plus Sexy Analyst equals Profits. That's all I'm going to do. I'm going to just keep doing that. And before we begin, this is a live account because people always want to know, is it live or a demo? It's a live account. As you can see, today is May the 13th, 2022. And as I was telling you guys, the students who were in class, I told you guys, if you lose one or two trades, don't lose your mind, just stick to the routine. And so on Euro GBP, I think it was, Euro GBP, we took a hit. And on NZD CAD, but I came back the next day and won about 90 pips on Euro GBP on that one here, which you can see it fell drastically. It just shot over price and then came back down. But anyway, that's not the point. Let me hurry up and do this so I can lock in my profit. So as you can see on this particular trade, this is GBP USD. Nice, beautiful, beautiful trade right here on this entry right here. And you see it hit in my simplicity zones and got my simplicity arrow. And then the sexy analyst came and told me on the higher time frame that this was bottoming out, which you can see was captured right there. So that gave me a net profit of 57 pips. Even though it was more than that, that's why I said I got to hurry up and lock this video down because I'm losing money because it's pullback time and I don't want to lose more profits. So there we go. Next one, NZD, USD, same thing on the higher time frame. You see it was in the downtrend. You can now clearly see the trend. Okay, and you see it hit right into my rock star zone area. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Drop down to a lower time frame, and you can see my arrow came in. I got in a little bit late. I could have got in and got more pips than that if I would have got in earlier. But pips are pips. So right here off the 30-minute, you see it hit right into my 3 Amigo area. And I'm going to hold this one and let it pop on up. If it pulls back, that's fine. I don't care. But it was still a beautiful entry because I'm looking at it from the higher time frame and you can clearly see it's hitting in this area right here. Okay. All right. So next I'm going to do the next thing. Let's go to the next trade, which is ACAT. Okay. ACAT. I'm only up 5 pips. I just entered this one not too long ago. Same exact thing from the higher time frame. It's right in my strike zone. See, same simplicity. You see it? Drop down to a lower time frame. Also, this is a 415 strategy for those who have simplicity. So if you don't have sexy analysts, that's okay. You can look at this one as a 415er. Okay. And so therefore, I'm waiting for this one to pop up. The only difference is now I can clearly see the trend with the trend line, support and resistance added and the Fibonacci levels. But if you have simplicity, you should be able to have seen this one as well. All right. And let's go to USD Swiss. And that will be the last one for this week. Okay, again, you can see exactly how I'm setting these up. I'm starting off the 4-hour time frame. Looking at my setups, you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Same exact thing as all the rest, except for it's reversed. Instead of it being in the buy zone, it's in my sell zone. All right, so then you drop down to a lower time frame, 15-minute, 30-minute, whatever you float your boat. And there you go. You can see exactly why I got into this particular one off the 30-minute time frame right there. Literally, you can see right to the tip pip right there. Okay, so you can see exactly why I got into this one. All I'm doing is going from my 4-hour, looking for very good setups, and then dropping down to my 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. And again, if you have the simplicity system, you already would be able to see this. But if you have simplicity with the sexy analyst, now you really get to see the finer, grainier details of where target areas are where you can enter for great HQTs, as I taught in the prior YouTube video called HQTs, high quality trades. All right. And then you just sit back and relax. Now, some of these I'll probably, like this one, I'll probably take a little bit of profit because I know the market will start pulling back and, it is what it is. But hey, that was really good pips right here. Good entries. So you can even treat these as scalp trades because, on the scalp trade, you're only going for like 10, 15 pips anyway. I can close these out, take my money, and, if it pulls back, I can hit it again over the weekend, which is what I probably do with some of these. So anyway, I hope this video helped. Again, I'm just going to continue to push these videos out. Simplicity plus sexy analyst equals profits. All right. Have a great weekend. See you guys next week.